G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen. It's great to have you here at another Scoop School session, broadcasting from St. Louis, Missouri. Apologise if you've been kind of wondering, where's Steve been for a little while? Well, we had some pretty significant life events. We dropped a daughter off to college, we married a daughter off down in Houston, Texas, a lot of stuff happening, but we're back in the saddle now for more Scoop School sessions. Do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Dippin' Flavors. Ryan, Jimmy Stutz, the whole crew down there at Dippin' Flavors, their whole mission in life is to have you have great flavored ice cream, whether you're looking at flavor bases, whether you're looking at toppings to put on the top, a whole lot of stuff there. Dippinflavors.com. They've got a lot of recipes there too. Thank you very much for your episode sponsorship. Now, this session I wanted to talk a little bit about VIP cards. And someone from behind the camera, not wanting to say who, said, hang on a minute, didn't we just do a video on VIP cards? No, we did a video on loyalty cards. So what's the difference then between a loyalty card and a VIP card? Well, there's a big difference, because what this allows you to do, this is kind of like your ace in the hole, if you will, to be able to give a certain demographic, a certain group, a certain club, a certain association, a certain geographic area, just a little bit of a discount. I would always just do a 10% VIP card, and I'll tell you why. Because I figured that if someone in this particular group that I wanted to keep coming back to my store had just a little bit of a discount, and I don't think 10% is too much, I probably wouldn't go over 10%, but it's just, look, on a $5 menu item, it's only going to be 50 cents. But the fact that they've got this in their wallet to say that they are a VIP member of your store, I think goes a lot more than just the 50 cents. You're basically saying, look, you are important to us as a customer, and we're going to just spiff you a little bit of a discount. Now, we first came up with this at one of our stores in Australia that was a kiosk in a large shopping mall. And there were about 3,000 employees that worked in all of these other, this was back when malls were actually the place to go to shop, would you believe it? But there were 3,000 other employees working for all of these other stores in the mall. So we have a whole bunch of these printed, and basically we were encouraging all of the employees of the mall to come to our ice cream shop, get a 10% off, and you would be surprised how much they use this card. Very, very popular, and it just showed that, hey, we're willing to use that. Now, we also use these for when we would sponsor sporting teams. It was part of our sponsorship, whether we did a class visit at the local school and everyone got one of these. Now, you do have the ability on the back, and you can format it however you want. We just simply put, come on mate, focus there. This was basically just the name of the Mr. C's VIP. You can see it had our 2 locations on it there. You may want to have a use by on it. I do think you need to be a little bit careful that you're giving someone VIP status for a certain period of time. It's almost like saying, hey, I've got my VIP card there, and you say to them, well, you're only VIP for the month of April, sir. Doesn't work very well. So I do think they are a great weapon, a great tool in your marketing toolbox to be able to use for certain demographics and clubs. A little bit different to a loyalty card. This is basically rewarding or giving people some kind of exclusivity. I think it's a great idea. Again, you can either come up with them yourself. This is what we did. We just simply had them printed and laminated. Or you can actually talk to, again, your POS provider. A lot of outside companies do them as well. VIP cards, I do think they're very much worth looking into. Now, if you have a loyalty program or a VIP program, we'd love to hear about it. Leave a message down here. While you're down there, look, type us a question. We're happy to help you wherever we can. And just in closing, here is your subscribe button. Here is a pretty cool video. And over here, this is going to bring you to Scoop School. Come on, baby. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.